Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your account on GS Bank. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up, and then in the address bar, type in goldmansachs.com and then press enter. This will now take you into the official website of the GS Bank. Now in order to log in, just click on the Client Login button at the top right corner. Now just select your login site from any of the sites listed within the login section. Once you select your appropriate login, go ahead and enter your username followed by your password. In case you forget your username or password, you can click on the Forgot button alongside the respective username and password box. You can click on the Remember Me box if you don't wish to enter your username or password every time you log into your account, but make sure that you leave it as it is if you're logging in from a public Wi-Fi. After you enter all of your credentials, go ahead and click on the Login button and you will be logged in to your appropriate GS Bank account. So that is how easy it is to log into your account on GS Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.